Students, today we will discuss about 3.5.5. I'll show you the question. 3.5.5 TCP/IP and OSI model investigation. Okay, the question is here 3.5.5. This is the packet tracer file. This is the answer in PDF, but I will show you a video. Okay, so open this packet tracer file. I already opened with my profile. Okay, now the question is here, investigate the TCP/IP and OSI models. Okay, so as I told you in the classroom, no, these are all reference models. Okay, so what is the use of this reference model? This will give you an easy idea, understanding of how the web client is talking to web server, how a client communicate to server. This is easily explained in this investigating TCP/IP OSI model in action question. Okay, here I have a web client and web server. Web server means there the website is hosted, the website data is posted, web page is posted. Web client means the client machine which opens the website which is hosted here. Example, here I have www.osi.local web server website. That website is here and client will open the website from this machine. How they communicate, that's what we are going to do. You are going to see. Okay. So two parts are the examine HTTP web traffic, then display the elements on TCP/IP protocols. Okay. First thing they're telling is switch from real time to simulation mode. We say what is real time and simulation mode? Real time means what we are doing now. Okay, in real time when I open the website www.osi.local means immediately in few seconds website will come on your client machine. But in simulation mode, I can check packet by packet, event by event, what is happening, what are the process happening behind this communication. Okay, so first thing, switch to simulation mode. In the exam also, if you ask this question with different IP address, different website, different web server address means you have to go to simulation mode. Simulation mode, remember, those who are absentees, please listen here. I think Miss Mariam and Miss Kautar Alkindi absentees. Okay, others also check this simulation. Omar also absent, I think. Click the simulation. Now what else they told is select HTTP from event list filter. Okay. Why Mr. HTTP? Because I am going to have a communication from a client to server. HTTP client to server. Any website means we need to use the protocol HTTP. Okay. So here we have event list. No events are listed here. This is the button for capturing and recording that or forwarding that events. Okay. Then this is the one which we will add the events. Okay. Here by default HTTP is coming. But if I ask you, I will not put this HTTP event here. You have to choose HTTP from the edit filter. Okay, see here, I will be giving the file like this. None, no event here. You want to choose, what is the question given here? Select HTTP from the event list filter. So I have to go here. I will choose edit filter. From this we have IPv4 option where we have all the IPv4 protocol, ARP, DNS, so many IPv6, all IPv6 protocol. I need HTTP, it is coming under MISC. So MISC miscellaneous HTTP. Click HTTP and close. Now see HTTP has come here. Now I want to see all the HTTP events. Okay. So what's the next? See, if you click show all none, everything will come and we can choose from that HTTP only. Okay, then generate web traffic. Okay, so how do we generate web traffic? You have to open the client machine, open the browser. See, open the client machine, open the desktop web browser and enter this osi.local URL, then go to simulation mode and capture forward. Okay, so what I will do, I will go here, open client machine. Do not copy paste. Okay, type everything. Sometimes if you copy paste, the value will not be correctly inputted. So we have to type. Go to a browser, open the website. How do you open? Go to desktop of the computer, click web browser. Like in Google Chrome, we have a browser. Type the website address www.osi.local. Okay, copy this. Go. After that, what I should do? Capture this 4 times. So click this button. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 events listed. Okay, see here what type of event list. Type of event is HTTP. Why Mr. all HTTP? Because I choose here HTTP. Now 4 HTTP events here. After what happened here, when I open this client here, the website data has come here. Web server, the website of OSI.local has a web page, web server, then successfully you have successfully accessed home page of web server. This message has come. Okay. Now what else they are telling? See here, open the web client, click the web browser and from the desktop, enter the website name, okay, then go to simulation mode, capture forward button 4 times. I put 4 times, I could see the events, and at the end of the step now, when I go to the web page of the computer, I can see the web page was returned from also that message. Okay. Now explore the content of HTTP packet. I want to explore what is given in the HTTP packet, first HTTP packet event. Okay, so go here. First one, I'll click this. I could see PDU information, protocol data unit information at client. So this one is actually the client is making a request. Okay, so he will, whenever he make OSI.local message, okay, enter the website address, this much things are happening. See here, OSI model I already discussed. We have 7 layers: application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, physical layer. Start with layer 7 application, layer 6 presentation, layer 5 session layer, layer 4 transport, layer 3 network, layer 2 ethernet or data link layer, layer 1 physical layer. Okay, in layer, out layer. In layer means here this computer is in this event sending out a request. That's why out is only active, in is not active because nothing coming from server now. Client is sending out the request, so that's why in layer is nothing, only out layer is active. Okay, in layer 7 application layer, what is the application layer we use for communication? So here websites communication, yani we use HTTP protocol, so that's why layer 7 has HTTP. Okay, layer 4 contains the source port, destination port. Mr. What is source port, destination port? See, first thing, destination port. I want to talk to this server. So this server, when I open now, let me open this server. Go to services. I can see so many services. In that service, which service I want? HTTP. And the port number for HTTP is 80. That we are. There's a global port number for HTTP is 80. That's why destination port, I want to talk to this computer's which port number 80. What is source port? From which port I am making the request? Say I open web browser, many window I will open. So in which window or which port number from where I am requesting, there is source port number. Because if you don't put this now, when you open that when you type www.local now, there is no port number, means how the server will reply, in which window the message, the website will come. Okay, that's why. This is transport layer, we add port number. Network layer or layer 3, I add source IP, destination IP. What is source IP, destination IP? Source IP means IP address of the sender. Destination IP means IP address of the receiver. So here I want to check IP address of this computer. I will go to here, just close this one. No need for you to do, just I am telling. Okay, IP config, this 192.168.1.1. Okay, what about this one? Here it is 192.168.1.254. Don't want to do like this, you just want to check these contents. Okay, layer 2, what is layer 2? MAC address of source, MAC address of destination. Okay, no need to do what I am doing here, just I am showing you what is the MAC address of sender and receiver. Okay, I'll just check here. Mother, don't do this, is only testing for me. Okay, just sorry, here go to CMD. Sorry, no, this one. Just I am testing, no need for you to do. IP config space / all. When I do this, I could see fast Ethernet connection. My MAC address is 006047CA474DE 0060 starting. Remember, okay. Okay, those when I open that, the communication gone. Okay, so I will do it again. This one I will open again, that www.oslocal. Okay, so here we open this. So that's why I told you don't test this. Okay, whatever I am doing, do the same. Okay, so go here, www.oslocal, enter. Now go here, 1 2 3 4. Now open the first one. So source MAC address is MAC address of computer, destination is MAC address of, this is destination MAC address, any MAC address of the server. Okay, just check here. No need for you to test, you have to just check the content of these layers. Okay, no need for you to test like me, this time showing. Don't do bother. Okay, You are the one who do always testing, so end up in mistake. Maybe you cannot get inside. Okay, so this one 00 physical address and MAC address 001 96A9 401D. See, same thing. Okay, now after this, what happened? The content, the whatever data we made, no, that is given to layer one, physical layer. Okay, physical layer, they convert that into ones and zeros. Okay, that's happening here. Now see the question, what they are asking. OSI model, select outlier, click 7. What is the information listed under steps directly below in layer and outlier for layer 7? Okay, there was the information here. It was the layer 7. We have HTTP clients and the HTTP request server. From this machine to this machine, HTTP client make a HTTP request to HTTP server. That's written here. That's an answer they are already given here. Okay. Then what is a DST port value for layer 4 under outlier? See here, just they are asking the question. Just write down the port number in the correct place. Okay. What is the destination port? DST port for layer 4 under outlier. Okay. So here I'll go for outlier. Layer 4 destination port 80, source port 1026. The destination port. Destination IP value for layer 3 under outlier. So go to layer 3, destination IP 192.168.1.254. Same thing. What information displayed at layer 2 under outlier? So layer 2, this is layer 2, Ethernet header. Here we have MAC address of sender and receiver. Okay. Next one. Click outbound PDU. Inside that we are going to discuss about the PDU format. Okay. So go for outbound. OSI can last now outbound PDU. We have how many PDU? Ethernet, IP, TCP, and HTTP request. Okay, HTTP request. So what the questions they are asking? What is the common information listed under IP section of PDU details compared to information under OSI model? Okay, what is the common information under IP section? So, in the IP section, the common information is source IP, destination IP. Okay, here also in network layer or layer 3 or IP header, I have source IP, destination IP, right? Here also I have IP header, source IP, destination. This is the common information. Then, what is the common information listed under TCP section of PDU compared to OSI model? Okay, so TCP section of PDU. So here TCP section. Okay, TCP section for outbound PDU. Here also TCP. I have source port, destination port. Here same here. TCP I have common thing is source port and destination port. Remaining are extra things. Okay, here I have common source port, destination port. Here also source port 1026. Here also same destination port 80 as destination port 80. Okay, now what is the host listed under HTTP section of PDU detail? Okay, what is the host layer, host name? Okay, go here. Go down outbound PDU host. In the HTTP request, what is the host information? Host is www.iosa.local. This is the web page I am requesting. That's why the host address is which website the client is requesting. It's under HTTP request. Okay. Now what they're telling, go to the next event, HTTP event. Okay, and see what's happening. Next event, only one layer is active because now the whole frame, whole headers added. Now the data is going to the table. From table we convert that into ones and zeros. Okay, there is a media here. Data is converted to ones and zeros. That's why only outlier. In that outlier only one layer is because all of the layers job is done. Now the data should go to the cable. Through the cable should go to the other side. Okay. Now third one. Next is third one. Go to the third event. Here what happened? The third one. It has in layer out layer, because now the data reaches here. Okay, it receives the frame. So in layer coming from in layer, okay, out layer going out. So here in layer out layer, what changes happened when it reaches web server? What happened is source port from where it is coming 1026, yes. Destination port same 80. Source IP from where coming 1.1. Destination IP where I want to go, this 254. Same when we send, same here. Okay. Now after getting the request, okay, go through the cable, MAC address we checked, IP address checked, port number checked. Now the packet HTTP request has come. Now the server should reply. In that time we use out layer. Out layer is used for out packets. Yani we are going to reply, server is going to reply the message HTTP web page to the client. There also we will add these things, port number and all. Okay, now this server is going to be the sender, this is the destination. So here source port from where I am sending HTTP port ID. Destination port is where should be sent, this computer's 1026 port. And source IP, now this is a sender, IP will be 192.168.1.254. See, destination to which machine I am sending, to this machine, IP is 1.1. Layer 2, source MAC address is MAC address of this one, destination MAC address, this is MAC address of this one. Okay, now what is the question here? Compare the information listed in layers column with that of out layer. What are different? Source IP, destination, source port, destination port, source IP, destination IP, MAC address, all swapped. Okay, all in become out. Okay, this one. Now inbound and outbound. Click inbound, outbound. Okay, same here. Ethernet we have source address, MAC address. IP we have source IP change, destination IP change, because now we are, this is inbound. Okay, inbound means coming towards, same. Outbound means from server it is going out. That time everything will change. Source IP will become 1.254. Now outbound means I am sending the packet outside, so this will become sender. This address is now sender. Source IP is 1.254. Destination IP 1.1. Okay. Then what about the last squared box? Now what is last squared box? This one. Here the message web page is received here, reach here. Okay. So in layer cable to the fast Ethernet cable, the packet, the web page data has come. So MAC address, source IP is this computer, destination is my computer, same. Source port is from where it's coming, 80, destination is my own port number. Now finally the web page reached here. Okay. Now after that what they are telling is this done. Now display element of TCP protocol suite. Now they are asking you to display the additional events like DNS. Okay, they want to ask you to open DNS, domain name service. Okay, I'll go here. Here I will add edit filter. I will add DNS in IPv4 DNS. When I click this DNS, you could see more DNS packets. I'll open the first DNS packet. DNS means domain name server. Here I have only domain name www.osi.local. I need the IP address of www.osi.local. Okay, I will go for DNS. What happened in DNS? It is application layer now. Layer 7 becomes DNS. I don't want HTTP, I want DNS now. Okay, source port is same, but destination port for DNS the port number is 53. That's actually standard port numbers. Okay, for HTTP 80, for DNS it is port number 53. So the port number has changed. Now the client is trying to contact the server for this service, DNS service. But the IP address of server, client, MAC address, everything same, but service only change. Destination port only change. Okay, remaining all same. Source IP, destination, everything same. Okay, and what they're telling, what information listed in the name field in DNS query. Okay, I'll go to outbound. In that we have IP, UDP. It's a part of UDP protocol. What is TCP? UDP? We'll discuss it later. Okay. In the DNS query, So I want the IP address of www.osI.local. So DNS query, when you go down, you could see name. What is the domain name you are searching for? www.osI.local. This is the domain name I want. This IP address I need for this domain. Okay. Click last DNS info at which device PD captured. Okay, last DNS info. What is the address? Okay. So here, go down, last DNS packet. So reply comes in the web client. Now what I will do here, in the inbound, I will go down DNS answer. Now the question was www.osI.local. This question answer is in the DNS answer. Name is this one, OSI.local. The answer is 192.168.1.254. IP address of the same server. Okay, this is a DNS server for you. So same will be the IP address coming. This is the activity discussed in the classroom. Please go through that. It will be useful for you in the assessments. Okay, I will stop this video. Hope you understand.